kind of how you feel, isn't it, when your door doesn't work right? Hold on, let me get in this apartment complex here. So today is something I've been wanting to do a while. I get quite a few calls about busted doors. Somebody tried to kick in their door on a limited budget. This is a metal skin door. They don't have really the money to buy another door, although by the time I got the parts and stuff, it's about half what a new metal skin door would cost. So I got them all fixed up, ready to go. These door enforcers are really nice, and I think they do an excellent job of making the door much stronger, especially in those areas where they are naturally weak at. Now, you could still kick this door in because the screws holding the strike plates are still 1/4 inch, 3/8 long. If you want to beef up the security of your doors, put longer screws in the strike plates and the hinges. I'm going to do a video one day on how to do that. But as long as you got those little bitty screws that come with the strike plates and your doorknobs and stuff, anybody can kick those things in. But at least now, this door, I saved them from spending $250, $275 for a new door. So anyway, let me show you how I did it. All right, what we're going to do today, you see we got a busted, oops, sorry. I don't know if you can see there or not. The door jamb's busted, big old crack. Other than that, the door is decent shape. So what I've done, I've got two door enforcers. Got the gatehouse from Lowe's. We're going to be putting it over here. Then I got a solid reinforcer we'll put on the lower part, and probably we'll use some construction adhesive in that before I pull that door together. So right now I'm going to take my screwdrivers, I'm going to get these door locks off, and we'll be right back. Okay, we got the doorknobs off. Unpack this. Now, you probably, before you go out and buy one of these or order one, you probably want to you want to measure the distance. Most of these are standard, standard sizes. Now, if you only have one, like a doorknob, they do make one, or they make them here. So we're going to get this protective cover off, and we're going to slide it over just like so. I didn't bring my tripod today. We're going to slide it there, and this is going to line up. I just have to get everything off, and I'll show you how I attached it. Now, besides the doorknobs, you're going to want to take the strike plates off, because you'll have to reinsert the screws right there. So make sure you do that. Now, you may or may not have to take your strike plates off here and the screws. This one didn't have one, and this one did, but I think this will work. Placing it over it, you always want to check, see if you're going to have any rubbing right there. And I may have to, yeah, well, I got daylight. That's the bolt. So I got daylight. It's hitting someplace else. Some of them bolts on the jamb are sticking out, so I'll have to make sure that they're in there recessed so they won't be hitting this plate. But other than that, we're about ready to put them screws on. I'll go ahead and put the doorknobs on now, to make sure this is lined up before I put the screws in here. Okay, I got my one screw in there. I feel the crack. I don't know if y'all can see this. I feel the crack with construction adhesive. I'm ready to put that other one on now. We'll squeeze that together. Give it a little extra reinforcement. Let's see if I can do that with one hand. Yep, I got to pull that protective cover off. Hold on. Okay, got the protective coating off. Kind of want to measure, guesstimate here about where we're going to be. Okay, we'll probably move that down just a little bit, cover the bottom of that crack. Come around this way. There we have it. You see that close together? Already squeezing out some. Okay. Now all of us do is put screws on. Okay, so there you have it. And we installed that protector. Those two protectors close that crack up and secure the door. I don't know what these were. I think that one was, this is 20, 25. They're both 20, 20, 25. I'll leave a link below and to Amazon where you can get these. You can usually get them cheaper on Amazon than you can Lowe's. And Lowe's doesn't usually carry that one. So, had to come over here and adjust the strike plates, let them in a little bit more for it to close. But now they have a secure door, and it's cheaper than another $200 or $250 door. So that's how you put the door enforcers on and fix a cracked door on the edge.